Hi, this is Kelly with Big River Electric, Gallipolis, Ohio. Today we're going to take a quick peek at some of the key features of the new Lincoln PowerMig 260 MIG welder. Some of the external features we really like include front and back gun and cable racks, a nice little parts tool tray accessory with cup holders on top. And the feature we really like is this tilt to load cylinder tray. You notice that when the machine was powered up, your 7-inch color display screen came on. This is where you'll input your specific weld parameters for specific weld processes. So let's take a look and see what that means. Here we see that we're ready to set up for a standard MIG process. We can also do flux cord with gas, spool gun, etc. Let's go back and take a look at a standard MIG setup process. So we're going to choose MIG, we hit select. Now we're going to choose which type of work metal we're going to be working with today. We're going to choose steel. We're going to choose the wire diameter. Let's go to 035. We're going to choose the shielding gas. We're going to choose 75-25 argon CO2 mix. And you'll notice as we go through these parameter setups, they are stored and displayed here to the left of your screen. You can always go back and make changes if necessary before you start welding. Let's choose our workpiece thickness. Let's go down to a 12 gauge, hit select. We're confirming here that we're going to be running in positive polarity. And now we see that the machine has given us the suggested presets for both wire feed speed and voltage output from the machine. If you choose to manually override these suggested settings, you simply do that by adjusting either knob for wire feed speed or voltage. However, when your letters go from green to red, that's an indication that you've either went too high or too low on the suggested presets. We can also then click on weld settings, and we'll find that our existing parameter setups can be stored and saved into the memory of the machine. This machine also has run-in, burn-back, and spot timer control capability. Underneath the interface, we have a spool gun amphenol, and we have a 120 volt accessory auxiliary power port. We hope you've enjoyed this quick review of the Lincoln PowerMig 260. Please join us again on Big River Electric.